What's up YouTube? I'm back again with another car wash video, you know what I'm saying? My name is Fresh. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you leave a comment, you know what I'm saying, say what's up or something, like just leave a comment, whatever it is, I'm gonna respond to it, you know what I'm saying? So anywho, we're getting into another car wash. I have someone helping me out. As you can see, my hand is busted. So yeah, I need all the help I can get, and well, the business can stop because I'm injured, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Let's get into it. you As you can see, the car's like hasn't been washed for a minute now. Uh, yeah, hasn't been washed. It's probably been like a month or so. The condition is not really bad. I love the inside, and it's always clean, but not too clean. You know, I mean, we gotta clean something. But otherwise, this is the condition of the car, guys.
Style. Style is the answer to everything.